Hello and welcome. Today I'd like to introduce you to Screenflow. We're going to be looking at Screenflow for the Mac. It's only a Mac application. However, there is another application, Camtasia, that is available on both the PC and the Mac, and it is quite comparable to Screenflow. Some even claim that Camtasia has more video effects. I think if you use both programs, you will see the similarities. You will need a headset and a mic. The first thing you need to do is set your general preferences on the Mac. So go to your desktop and look at the dock. You're looking for system preferences. These preferences control the general operation of the Mac. The icon you're looking for looks like machine parts, and it says System Preferences. Double-click on System Preferences, and what you're looking for is under Hardware, and look for a sound icon, and click on that. First, we're going to look at output. How does sound exit or come out of your computer? Is it through the built-in speakers? Or is it through your headset or a special microphone configuration? If you're wearing a headset, this is where you should see it, and it should always be USB connection for the best quality. If you want to test your volume, you can click to the right and snap it just to be sure it is coming through your headphones. Now let's look at input. For input, you want to see, again, your USB headset or special microphone configuration. This controls the volume, so if you see no movement here, you may have to stop and plug in your headset again. You may even have to restart your computer through Apple Restart. In case you have a problem, that will reset everything, and sometimes that solves the problem. But before you restart, you can always try to unplug your microphone or headset and plug it back in and see if it appears here. Then you want to check the sound level. This is a little bit low perhaps, so I'm going to turn it up to about halfway. Okay, you can close that window. Now we are going to launch Screenflow. So I find the icon on my desktop and double-click it. Now click on the camera icon and select Configure Recording. The Screenflow desktop recording window will open. Leave the first box unchecked and make sure Record Audio From has your headset showing. If not, click down and be sure it is showing and make sure that is checked. And then you should also check Record Computer Audio. Now the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new folder on my desktop, and I'm going to call it Screenflow. Then I'm going to double click on that folder, and inside I'm going to make another folder, and I'm going to call that folder Screenflow Scratch Disk, and we'll explain what that means later. And I'm going to make one last folder. Go to the File menu, New Folder, and I'm calling this Screenflow Documents. And this is where we're going to put all of our Screenflow documents, which you will find out about in the next lesson. Okay, that's it. Now you're ready for Screenflow Preferences Lesson 2.